This house, I put my biggest bang for your buck in here. We knocked down 1,400 square foot. We put up over 3,400 square foot. That's 2,000 square feet. So what did we do with that? In this video, I'm going to show you. But this house, we actually knocked down the existing house, built this one from the ground up, so we're able to give you all those hot bells and whistles of brand new construction. Let's see what we did. I was able to design for the office to be in the front of the house, completely separate from the rest of the house. So you can come in here, shut those doors, and get to work. Our incredible wine cellar, which is now, this is our signature move in all the houses. And I did notice some other people seem to be picking up on it. And in Texas, we like big bedrooms, and you better bet they better be on the first floor. So here we have 4 long windows. Instead of losing a wall with one big, huge window and also your privacy, we put in longer windows to still fill in the room with the light, but to not lose any wall space. And another feature we did, we added you a private access straight to the patio. Sometimes you need some downtime. Let's check out that master bathroom. And this amazing bathroom, this huge bathtub right under the window for the light, this gorgeous vanity, dual sinks, and of course, we have this ADA compliant shower, roll right in if that's needed. Has a great rain shower as well as body jets and a hand spray. Get that shampoo out of your hair. Nice big closet. We went ahead and went with all the bells and whistles like I promised. So you got lots of space for shoes, for short clothing, tall clothing, and still cubbies. And in modern days, it's all about functionality. And this house brings the function. I am all about this open concept and tall ceilings. From that gorgeous pass-through fireplace, so while you're sitting inside, enjoy the fire, get tired of the family, go outside, enjoy the fire. We're here in the kitchen, huge pantry, and back there, we have a secret for you dog lovers, so stick around. And we didn't just use one brand of appliances in this kitchen, we used the best of each brand. This is a chef's dream kitchen. You have a 36-inch Italian Bertazzoni gas range, a KitchenAid Cadillac refrigerators, Bosch dishwasher, Forte microwave, level 5 quartzite countertops, and they go throughout. You've got cabinets for days, including the lighting. When it comes to kitchen, we brought it. And what's a smart sprinkler system? Well, I'm going to tell you all about it. This house is fully sprinklered with the Ratio sprinkler system. It is easily controlled and managed from your phone. It will not water during the rain. It tests the soil, and it saves you time and money because you do nothing, it does everything for you. We knocked down a 1,400 square foot house, put up a 3,400 square foot house. That's 2,000 square feet. That's 2 Mack trucks. So what do you do with all that space? Well, upstairs, for 3 full bedrooms, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, another full bathroom, game room, gorgeous. So the beauty of a custom-built home, something like this gorgeous railing right here. The stairwell was built by a local Dallas-Fort Worth artisan called Shinko. Awesome work, good product. Mention Flippin' Redhead, get a discount. So you come upstairs to this gorgeous open family room, game room, media room, extra space. But if you got those teenagers and you're getting tired of them, another stackable washer and dryer comes with this house. Heck, send them some food, you don't even have to see them for a week. This house, I put in European-styled casement windows. And you may say, why? Well, number one, they're much more difficult to open from the outside. So it's a protection, an extra layer of security without looking like security. And besides that, they're just cool. Jack, privacy, the combined bathroom, and the Jill, because brothers and sisters never get along. In this house, I put my biggest bang for your buck in here. So I put in a professional dog shower. It is actually professional grade. You control the temperatures here. It has a little lawn. You can do it softer, you can do it harder, whatever you need. And you get to do it at home, saves money. More importantly, it saves the anxiety to the pet. Pets are not fond of going to be groomed. But if you live with one, you know they need the grooming. So now you have it at home. So you've seen our wine room, our amazing doggy shower, the custom railings, those individual touches that we do. So if you want something like that, but you don't know where to start, reach out to us. We'd love to build it for you. And click right here if you want to keep learning.